Hey guys, it's Dan Spiker here. Welcome back to the channel. And today is my 17th birthday. And what I got for a birthday gift was, one of my birthday gifts is Cobra Kai, the Karate Kid saga continues. So it has Johnny Lawrence fighting Daniel LaRusso on the front. Nintendo Switch logo on the side, and rated T symbol at the bottom. Let's go to the back. It says, choose a side. Embrace your destiny. The fight is in your hands now. Focus. Master 40 unique skills and upgrade your characters. Stats as you karate your way through enemies. Explore the Cobra Kai universe across 28 missions filled with characters and enemies from the show. Choose your dojo and fight as Miyagi-Do or Cobra Kai. It shows you screenshots of Daniel LaRusso with his signature pose from season 4. Then co-op multiplayer, deep movesets, combos, progression, ultimate attacks, and much more. On TV, it's 1 to 2 players, 1 to 2 players, and 1 player in handheld mode. So let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, got it unboxed now. Time to see inside. So, no background artwork. Here's the game itself. Rated T symbol on the left hand side, and up top is the Nintendo Switch logo and Cobra Kai in the middle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more, and hit the post notification bell so you do not miss out on any new uploads that I post. See ya.